Okay, we're here and we're going to introduce you to our newest window unit. This is called the Mini. We actually completely redesigned our window units based on feedback and our own experience, and we made them much, much better. We've got tons of videos on that you can watch. What I'm showing you today addresses the one concern that we never had a great answer for, and that was, what about security? What if I'm on a ground floor? What if I'm worried and I have to board the window up? How does this work? Do you have an option? And we didn't. We just said simply, if you would use plastic, then use our product, and if you would use wood, then just keep using wood. We have the same answer, but with a twist. Because of our redesign and because of the introduction of the Mini, now you can use the wood like you normally would. Board your window up until you're feeling safe about the environment. And then instead of messing around with trying to connect lay flat to this round hole, you connect it like you always would to our stuff, and then just simply put it inside the hole like you normally would. Come on in here, I'm going to show you that this is just basically the same round hole that you hacked away with your skill saw. And then it doesn't really need these straps to be screwed in, but you can do that for that extra bit of security if you really want it. So now if I'm on the outside trying to get in, I'm a bad guy, you're not getting in. I mean, obviously they want to hack away, they're going to, but that's going to happen with wood anyway. We kept this hole small, so you have the same measure of security that you would have normally in your normal setup. It's great. When you inflate it, you're going to see what it looks like. There you go. There it is. It's ready for you. You'll notice that it immediately went to work, sealing off the opening. We've got negative air. It's all set, and we've answered the security question. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you watch the rest.